You see the quotations I'm making with my claw hands?
Sorry, I got lost in your beautiful jawline.
Paw Patrol.
This is super awkward.
Last night, when you saw the cracks, I felt...
No fangs, no claws.
I should have stayed at law school.
And Jenny, I need you to draw a picture of me.
And what are we doing about the oak tree in the front lawn?
Crawl back in your sack.
Did the lawyer tell you the good news?
Draw a person.
I'd give her raw meat.
I'm also kind of an honorary member of the Paw Patrol.
In the drawer.
I saw Amir, I saw Hugh, and I saw... Lee.
It's a long crawl back to your car.
It was never awkward.
Jimmy, you're a great lawyer.
Like a hawk.
Look at that jawline.
Okay, now raise your right paw and deliver the oath.
Paw Patrol ready for action, riders, sir.
So, Leo, where did you study law?
The next morning, Richie woke at dawn.
We attack at dawn.
We attack at dawn.
We've got a flying mouse to kill, and I want to clean my claws.
What about Hawk?
When I saw raw talent like that, I believe, Jesus.
You cause pain.
My brother, I applaud your choices today.
Self-medicating ever since, which I applaud.
All the houses with nobody home have automatic timers on their lights.
No pause.
Take a pause.
Because I have a relationship with him, too.
Because I love you and you're my best friend.
Betsy Ross taught it to me.
But I only do it because I love you more than anything in the world.
Did you change the default settings?
Enhance the audio.
Have you ever caught fish?
He's a good auto mechanic.
I'm an auto mechanic.
I understand, and I applaud your decision to think about it. My dad taught it to me.
No pause.
So if you wanted to fix old cars, then you're supposed to be an auto mechanic.
The challenge is not to act automatically.
The important thing to remember here is that this is your fault for not listening to me.
The moment the networks were hit, all the financial data automatically began downloading to those servers.
They called it automatic art.
This is your fault. This is your fault.
Those auto shop boys are true artistes.
To cause pain to others.
We have a fully functioning auto shop, just like you'd find in the outside world.
Well, I'm pencil by default.
Which one of the 7 dwarfs can explain to me how you get the audio?
You look like an auto mechanic.